Okay, good morning, student. So today we're going to study again mathematics. But before we proceed to our lesson, so we have online class rules. Okay. Number one, sit down properly. Sit down properly. So you look at this boy or to this student. He is sitting down properly. Okay, number two, watch and listen carefully. Watch and listen carefully. Okay, and number three, prepare your worksheets and workbook. Okay, so you have workbook, Primary Mathematics 1A and Primary Mathematics 1B. And so you have worksheets also. Every student have a worksheet. So you're going to prepare because after discussing your lesson, so you're going to answer your workbook and worksheet. Okay, so this is Teacher June, your mathematics teacher, with Teacher Mark, your math teacher too. Okay, so but before we proceed to our lesson, so what is your lesson to Teacher Mark last time? It's all about, again, what is your topic to Teacher Mark? About number one. Okay, very good. So today our lesson is all about horizontal method. Again, horizontal method from addition from 0 to 10. Okay, addition 0 to 10. Okay, next. So what is horizontal method? In this method, all expressions are written in a horizontal line. Okay, you look. So this is a horizontal line. Okay. So this is our vocabulary words. Okay. So this is addition, right? Plus. Okay, this is a plus sign or addition sign. So we have increase by. Okay, increase by, more than, add, all together, combine, plus, sum. Okay, so sum, when you add two numbers, the answer is sum, S-U-M. Okay, so this is a plus sign or addition. Okay, so a horizontal line is one with strands left to right across the page. Okay, so from left to right, okay, you look at this line. So this is from left to right. Okay, left. So this is left to right. So that is horizontal line. Okay. So next, we're going to add also our lesson. Okay, so this word. Okay, so we're going to study these three words. Okay, so add, find the sum of two or more numbers, find how many in all. Okay, so what you can see is apples, right? So we have 5 apples here. So 3 green apple and 2 red apples. Okay. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay. So add the number that are added to form a sum. Okay. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. So this is our addend. Okay. 3, we add 2, or 3 and 2, you're going to add. So the sum is 5. Okay. Okay, addition sentence. A number sentence where one number is added to another. Okay. Number sentence where one number is added to one another. 3, you're going to add 2 or plus 2 equals 5. That is addition sentence. Okay, so this is the properties of addition. Okay, so horizontal method. Okay, 6. Okay, what is it? Glasses. 6 glasses plus 3 glasses equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. Okay, if you can see this, you're going to add 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 also. Right? So 6 plus 3. Okay, this is vertical already, so we're going to study that also later on. Okay, so 6 plus 3 equals 9, or 3 plus 6 equals 9. Okay, so we're going to practice. We're going to practice this. Okay, we're going to answer. Okay, so what is it? Okay, so it is a bicycle. Very good. So how many bicycles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you're going to write number 5 here. Okay, so 5 plus, again, how many bicycles? 1, 2, 3. So 3, you're going to write 3. Okay, 5 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to write 8 here. Okay, so number 2. Okay, we're going to add this also. What is it? It is a thread. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 plus 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay, so if you're going to add 4 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. Okay, we proceed to number 3. What is it? It is a ladybug. Okay, so ladybug. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, next, number 4. So what is it? It is a bird. Okay, how many birds are there? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you're going to write 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, 4 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to write 8. Okay, number 5. Okay, what is it? Again, what is it? Banana. Okay, bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. 5 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 5 plus 4 equals 9. We're going to write 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay, so how many bananas are there? So there are 9 bananas. Okay, so number 6. Okay, what is it? Ice cream. Okay, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we're going to add 4 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. Very good. Okay. So you have worksheets, right? So what you're going to do to your worksheet, okay, you're going to add the following using horizontal method. So number 1, okay, what is it? Elephants. Okay, very good. Okay, so how many elephants are there, or how many elephants all together? Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 2 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 2 plus 5 equals 7. Okay, number 2. 3 plus 4 equals, okay, 3 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you're going to write 7 here. Okay, number 3. Okay, what is it? Airplane. Okay, so you're going to count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. Okay, let us proceed to number 4. Okay, what are they? Is it? Horse or horses. Okay, so we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, number 5. Okay, what is it? Okay, it is a rocket or rocket. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, very good. So number 6. So what are these? Oh, these are tigers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 0. Okay, 6 plus 0 equals